Hi guys, today I am going to show you how hackers find the exact GPS locations of the victims. First of all, let me tell you, this is only for the educational purpose. So let's get started. First of all, if you are not updated your system, first do it that. So with this command apt get update, I have already updated my system. Now first of all, let me tell you how hackers find exact locations. They do use phishing tools like Hound, NGRock, Cloudflare. Use these tools to find the exact locations, and we are going to use Hound tool to find the exact location of my victim. So for that, type this command apt get y install php unzip git duplicate. So I've already installed it. Now clone the now I'll go to cd downloads. Now I'll clone the git repository with this command. Now I have already successfully cloned the git repository. Now go to, first of all, let me see if it has downloaded or not. Yes, it has downloaded. Now go to hound folder and now type the command dash hound.sh. Now it is asking whether I want to use Cloudflare tunnel or not. For hosting the phishing website, I need to use Cloudflare tunnel. For yes, I need to press Y. In few seconds it will create a phishing link and I'll show you how it looks and how it works. So it has created the phishing link over here. If I'll press it over here and let me search it on browser. So here it is asking me to access my location. Unknowingly, some people will give the permission to access the location to this website. So it has given this chat GPT interface which have some automated commands, like if I'll type hi, it will type first of all it will say turn on your location to find the people near you. So it has some pre-programmed things. So here in our shell it has given all the informations of my device where I have this login or open this page. So all of these informations like which browser I'm using, which device I'm using, what's my screen width, what's my computer score, how much RAM I am having, and what's my IP address. All the informations that can hacker need is here, and more importantly it has also given this location. Let me search it on Google. It's my exact location of my house. Okay. So this is it for this video. Thanks for watching.